Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about common mistakes mothers make while using a milk pump and how avoiding these small mistakes can make pumping more comfortable and effective. Many mothers believe that using the highest suction level will give better results. In reality, a comfortable setting is often the best choice. Pumping should not be painful, and increasing the suction too much may make the session uncomfortable. Another common mistake is skipping regular cleaning. Cleaning all pump parts after every session helps maintain hygiene and keeps your pump working properly. Some mothers also rush through the setup. Taking a minute to assemble the pump correctly and checking that everything is secure can help prevent interruptions during pumping. Staying hydrated is another habit that is sometimes overlooked. Keeping a bottle of water nearby is a simple reminder to drink regularly throughout the day. Many mothers also forget to replace worn pump parts. Checking valves, membranes, and other accessories regularly helps keep the pump performing as intended. It is also important not to compare your pumping sessions with someone else's. Every mother's body is different, and the amount collected can naturally vary from day to day. After each session, store the collected milk safely in a clean container and label it if needed. Good organization makes future feedings much easier. Remember, successful pumping is not about rushing or collecting the most milk in one session. It is about building a comfortable routine that works for you. With good preparation, proper cleaning, and consistent habits, pumping can become a simple and stress-free part of your daily life. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.